Okay, let's take a look at the wild, kind of unhinged tech landscape of 2026.
Welcome to the near future. And yeah, things are starting to feel a little strange. The workplace, it's been totally flipped on its head. Your boss is probably an algorithm now.
And technology has gotten really, really personal. It's blurring all the lines.
So this begs a massive question. What's actually going on with jobs for humans? At first glance, yeah, it looks bad. Software job openings took a hit and haven't recovered.
But that's not the full picture. The long-term forecast is still predicting 15% growth.
And the key thing is, human developers, they're definitely not going anywhere just yet.
In fact, AI is creating brand new jobs for us, basically cleaning up all its messy code.
Okay, let's talk about the AI hype cycle. Is this huge bubble about to pop? Well, progress is kind of stalled. We're not getting those crazy leaps in AI intelligence we expected. But the hype train is not stopping. Why? The biggest names haven't even gone public yet.
This next wave of IPOs is going to pump a ton of new money and excitement into the market.
And what's driving a lot of that hype? You guessed it, the arrival of humanoid robots. All the major companies are racing to get these things off the assembly line and into our world. Meanwhile, other tech, like wearables and VR, have really been struggling to catch on. So let's get down to a critical point. What in the world is powering all this stuff?
AI needs so much energy, it might actually bring back nuclear power in a big way.
But there's a totally new kind of power emerging now that quantum computing is becoming real. And the potential here is so huge, it can make this whole AI boom look tiny. Stepping back, we're seeing these huge societal changes, like the big global push for digital money.
You pair that with digital IDs, and a lot of people are getting worried about control and privacy. So this is 2026. So much innovation. But you have to ask, is this the future we want?